You can create individual users in Percipio from the user list page. Fields marked with an asterisk are required fields, and your user information will not save without completing them. Some fields have character restrictions. Enter your user's first and last name to help you easily find him when searching your user list. You can use any characters in these fields. The login name is what the user will use to sign into Percipio. Unless you use SAML, which is an authentication service, this is a required field. The login name can only contain alphanumeric characters and/or these special characters. The specified email address will receive Percipio-generated notifications, such as new assignments or upcoming assignment due dates. Users can sign into Percipio using their email address instead of their login name. The user ID identifies a user inside of Percipio. This is a required field and must be a unique value within your organization. If you do not specify a user ID, Percipio uses the login name instead. If SAML is activated, the SAML ID is used. A user's role determines his privilege level inside of Percipio. Learners have access to the platform only and use it for finding and accessing Percipio content. Admins use Percipio the same way as learners, but they also have access to features and functions in Percipio's admin menus. Setting your user to active allows him to sign into Percipio. Setting him to inactive creates a user profile for him inside of Percipio, but he cannot access the platform or the content until he is set to active. Unless SAML is activated, a password is required. It must be at least 8 characters long and consist of 3 of the following 4 types: lowercase letters, capital letters, numbers, or special characters. If you'd like your new user to receive a welcome email with his username and login information, select Send the Welcome Email. The date and time are based on your local system settings and not the email recipient settings. By assigning descriptive information and context to custom attributes, you can create structured audiences. When you assign an attribute's value to a user, an admin can use that value to place him into an audience. That audience can then be associated with a license pool, which contains a content collection within Percipio, and the user can then access that specific content collection. Your new user immediately displays in your user list. By default, all users are placed into the All Users audience.